From the 24 posture form, this is playing the lute. Before we begin, just to clarify, a lute is a stringed instrument similar to a guitar. Some folks will call this move playing the guitar. From brush knee twist step, with your left leg forward and your right hand pressed out, take a half step up as your right hand comes forward. Shift your weight back as your palms face away from you. Your waist is now facing to the right. Bring your center back to forward as your hands come together and your left toe comes up. Again, from brush knee, half step up. Use your center to shift your weight back and your hand goes to the right. Use your center to bring your hands back in front in the playing the lute position and your left toe comes up. That was playing the lute. Keep practicing, stay healthy, stay strong.